Holly McKhann with the hottest new listing in San Clemente. Where can you find a home with a big backyard, a pool, and this amazing ocean view? This is the home that has it all on Via Manzana. I'm going to give you a tour through the home to show all the wonderful features and upgrades that it's got. Let's go take a look. This home is 3,781 square feet of beautifulness. It's got 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, including a bed and bath on the main floor. This home also has artificial turf for very easy care and beautiful pavers through the driveway. Let's go inside and see all the great things in there. As you enter the home, you're immediately greeted by the formal living and dining room. The owners thoughtfully redesigned it by removing the step-down aspect that used to be here. One perfectly smooth level, no steps, and it's been completely resurfaced with luxury vinyl plank. Beautiful to look at and yet very easy to care for. You've got a cozy little fireplace here with a gorgeous mantle to display whatever you like. Recessed lights go throughout the home, adding extra lightness and brightness to it as the sun goes down. The dining room over here has a beautiful look out to the backyard and the ocean. What more could you want? As you enter the kitchen from the formal dining room, you'll notice sleek stainless steel appliances. One of my favorite things in new kitchens is the extra deep pots and pan drawers that you'll see all along this wall. Additionally, glass cabinets can display anything that you're extra fond of so you can see it all the time. When you come over to the kitchen sink, you are wowed by the gorgeous blue Pacific Ocean. What a great place to wash dishes. Another wonderful feature of this home is that you've got a great view of the pool and the backyard right from the kitchen and kitchen sink. So if you're watching over little ones or pets, you've got a great eagle eye over them. And even though the kitchen has great storage, you have additional storage with this walk-in pantry. So much room for so many fun snacks. A fabulous thing about this house is the indoor-outdoor living. From the kitchen and the casual dining room and the casual family room, it flows seamlessly to the backyard. You can have everybody feel like they're connected and part of the action. And once again, the luxury vinyl plank floor is perfect for those wet feet that come in from the swimming pool. You don't have to worry about anything with your floor. As you can see, the stair rails have been remodeled and redesigned also with beautiful contemporary solid glass for the rails. Let's go check out upstairs. We are now in the junior suite. It's so fabulous, and it's not even the primary one. It's got its own large bathroom with a dual vanity and shower, and what a view. Just imagine waking up to see that. The bathroom in this junior suite has a really easy walk-in shower with no dam wall. It would also accommodate somebody that really can't lift their legs. There's no steps into the shower. And a surprise view right here with this thoughtfully placed window. We are in one of the secondary bedrooms, and wow, it is so large. You can fit not only a queen size bed, but also a twin size bed and have room to walk through it. This is one of the smaller secondary bedrooms, and yet it's still so large. You've got a twin bed here, twin bunk beds here, and check out that view behind me. As you enter the primary suite, you are greeted by a spa-like tub and bathroom. The owner thoughtfully removed the wall here so that you could see the beautiful ocean from sitting in the tub and even from the shower. The view gets even better as you lay in your bed. Just imagine seeing the ocean at the end of the day and the first thing when you wake up. The bathroom here in the primary suite features an extra large shower. Maybe you could even fit 4 people in there. And look at all the nozzles in there. Kind of reminds me of a car wash, but it's for humans, I promise. Anyway, here we have the vanity with 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, separate water closet room and storage. You should go check out the walk-in closet with me next. This home not only comes with a 3-car garage, but it's been drywalled and you've got an epoxy floor as well. It's so clean, you could even eat out here. Just imagine all the fun you could have here, hosting parties, gatherings, or just relaxing by yourself. You've got a spa, a pool, and a Baja shelf with the turf around to play games and really relax and enjoy yourself. This home is ideally located, only 12 minutes from San Clemente Pier and 10 minutes to Dana Point Harbor. You're right between both for all the fun activities that the ocean can allow. Dana Point has got paddleboarding, sailboating, fishing, surfing of course, and all kinds of fun in the sun. We're also located by world-class resorts, the Waldorf Astoria at Monarch Beach, Ritz-Carlton, and the Marriott, all with spectacular ocean views, restaurants, and all kinds of fun to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you contact me right away before this home is gone.